Yeah, I like that. That's dope. All off the 3D printer. All off the 3D printer. These are the impressions. These are my chompers. Yeah, it did pick up a lot of detail, right? Like the scan and everything should be able to get this pretty icy. Yes, sir. Up until that max line, you don't want to go over the max line.
I don't think that's gonna happen.
You got some teeth, you got some rings, got some pendants. So in about 2.5 hours, it should be looking good. All right, so kind of leaving for the night. We didn't get too much footage today. Like most of the day was just spent doing file cleanup. In 2 hours, everything should be printed. It's successful, so.
That's the file right up there. A little goofy.
Well, it doesn't matter, huh? Because we don't have to cure these.
Oh, yeah.
So it doesn't matter. So finally got the tubing situated. This piece attaches to this window adapter, and all that nastiness goes out the window. Yeah, I haven't had a grill since high school, bro.
Oh, really? What'd you have in high school?
My first one was 6 on the top. My second one was 10 top and then 10 on the bottom.
Oh, shit.
White gold.
What? You had the full 10 on 10?
10 on 10. Yeah.
White gold?
White gold. And then the
Shit.
second one, like
yeah,
cuts.
Like the diamond cuts?
Yeah. So.
On the 10.
On the 10 on 10.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Alright, let's see.
That shit's chill.
Yeah.
Let's see. Yeah. Alright. Little pinch. Go?
I think so. I think it's in there.
Yes, sir. It's in there.
I'm not touching it.
That shit's so hard too, cause it's so subtle.
I know, right? That's pretty clean. I like it. Clean. Yeah, I like that. That's dope. All off the 3D printer. All off the 3D printer.
From thin air to your tooth.
Yeah. Yeah, you get a little on that MacBook, you know.
A little MacBook, a little magical casting.
Yeah. And that's crazy.
A little bit of technology.
A little bit of craftsmanship.
A little bit of fucking magical cast.
That's dope. Yes, sir. There you have it. Making grills on the 3D printer. Shout out to Zane, Tokyo Sunset, for letting me post up and be a part of the process. Even with it being my printer, he didn't have to share as much game with me as he did. It's always a blessing when you have friendships where you support each other and just want to see each other win. So if you're interested in getting some made, visit the Tokyo Sunset website in the description. Once again, thank you for watching. I appreciate the support. More content on the way.